Here's what you can expect when you rely on BSC Forensics to handle your large loss forensic engineering investigations and give you expert insights into your complex claims. We move quickly to coordinate the assessment. Within 1 business hour, we'll verify claim details and connect with the on-site contact. Whether it's a single site or multiple properties, we work efficiently to get the process started. Next, we proactively gather key data including event history, weather data, and property details. If relevant, we may also review soil surveys, permits, or even fire marshal reports to make sure we're prepared. We perform a meticulous 100% assessment of the site. Using cutting-edge technology, we capture detailed photographs, conduct in-depth interviews, and collect data on both damaged and non-damaged elements that we then use to write the final report. Once the investigation is complete, our licensed engineers analyze the findings to create a comprehensive report. This includes our Advanced Spatial Analysis Model, or SAM, which uses interactive visualizations and data to bring clarity to complex claims. Other types of data visualizations that could be included in the report are diagrams, images, floor plans, and 360-degree images. You can expect your finalized report within 7 to 10 business days after the assessment. Our partnership doesn't end once you receive the report. If needed, our litigation support includes expert testimony, subrogation, peer review, non-disclosed consulting experts, and demonstrative exhibits or graphics. Now that you know what to expect from a BSC Forensics investigation, submit an assignment to experience our unmatched expertise to answering your questions about large loss engineering claims. BSC Forensics is proud to be a part of the Alpine Intel suite of services.